Thank you for inviting me to your place. Of course, and you always welcome. Thank you. I like this. I need to move here one day. No, you don't want to live here. I heard Tanya live here. Tanya? Yeah, you don't like Tanya. Yeah, I do not like Tanya. Matter of fact, is that her right there? Bitch. Bitch, 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 get out my house. Get out my house. Y'all stop. Stop. Bitch, 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 bitch. No, stop. Tanya, back up. That bitch beat my ass. Tore your ass out the frame.